Hi mga B! Actually, ito yung sa question nyo naman na ano nga ba ang hinahanap ng isang laluna sa guy or qualifications. Sa tingin ko is compatible sa kagaya ko. Napaka-random na tao. So, for me kasi, tatlo lang yun eh. So, I think most of the girls will actually agreeing with me. For me kasi, it's magandang ano na nito for having a good relationship. So, first, security. And then, it will follow na rin kasi yung assurance. Andun na yung security, assurance, consistency. So, tatlo lang yun, guys. Napakahirap man nun. Charot. So, ako kasi, as a girlfriend, as a partner, maingay lang ako kapag hindi ako secured sa feelings ng partner ko or hindi ako na-assured na mahal mo ba talaga ako? Is it really worth to keep the relationship? Kasi kung although maingay ako, sige, tatatarin kita ng chat, B. Kasi nga, di ba, hindi ako assured. But, of all those things and chat ko, kung sasabihan mo lang ako, isang salita lang, alam mo, tatahimik na ako and okay na ako ulit. Ganun ako kababaw, guys. And for me kasi, sa relationship, importante din talaga yung update. I don't know, some of you will agree with me or not, pero update lang talaga, guys. Kasi alam ko naman, hindi naman ako narrow-minded na tao na alam ko busy tayo with our things in life. Pero isang, alam mo yun, update lang. Kumbaga, it will only take few seconds of your life or time to say, kamusta? Ingat. How was your day? I miss you and I love you. Yun lang yun. Kasi for me, makareceive ka lang ng update sa isa araw. Diba? It only shows na kahit paano, diba? Kahit gaano ka busy, at least, at the end of the day, alam ko na kahit paano naisip mo na, may jowa ka pala. So, yun lang. Those things lang naman. Sobrang babaw. Sobrang low maintenance. I will not be asking for anything else or not going to ask you a coach bag or fancy dinner. No, not like that. So, yun lang. Things, words na importante. So, ngayon alam niyo na kung if ever man. Diba? Pag nag-e-emote, nagdadrama na, diba? Replyan mo lang ako ng, I miss you. I love you. O, diba? Tapos na. Yan na. Ganun lang. Bye.